Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin C and niacinamide together, updated. Start by patch testing and introduce one new product at a time so your skin can adapt and you can spot reactions quickly. Use gentler formulas if you have sensitivity, layer based on texture, and consider using vitamin C in the morning and niacinamide in the evening or both in compatible concentrations. Keep routines simple and observe results over weeks. Morning routines benefit from antioxidant protection, while evening routines focus on repair and tolerance. If you pair vitamin C and niacinamide, think about texture and pH. Apply thinner, water-based serums first, then thicker creams, and allow 30 to 60 seconds between layers. You can use vitamin C in the morning for UV protection and niacinamide anytime to calm and strengthen the barrier, but adjust based on your skin's response daily. Choosing concentrations matters because higher vitamin C percentages increase potency and potential irritation. For sensitive skin, stick to lower strengths and consider buffering with a moisturizer. If you want both active benefits in one routine, use compatible concentrations like 10% vitamin C and 2% niacinamide or alternate mornings and evenings. Observe skin, cut back on actives if redness occurs, and consult.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.